right, everybody can wake up. You can stand back up, return to your seats. All right, so everybody should be back in your seats now. All right, so the next technique, we're going to talk about body relaxation. All right, so those first couple lessons, first couple techniques were about breathing. All right, and so breathing is a big part of everything else that we're going to do. Right, and so we're now going to move into body relaxation as well. So these are some different things that you can do to kind of help relax your body. Right, and so it's going to reverse, right? It's going to reverse the tension in our bodies when we're angry, right? And so that's exactly what we want to do, is reverse the tension in our bodies. So by practicing the deep breathing exercises that we just learned and then incorporated into body relaxation techniques, you're going to get like a double dose of relaxation, right? So what you want to do is close your eyes, and starting with the toes and moving up your body, ask yourself, where am I tense? Where am I tense? Start at your toes and moving up to your body, right? And just think about, where are you tense in your body right now? When you discover a tense area, move it slightly so that you become aware of it. Be aware of the muscles in your body that are tense. Then, for example, say to yourself, I am tensing my neck muscles. I'm creating tension in my body, right? So whatever part of the body that you've noticed is tense, say to yourself, I'm tensing those muscles. I'm creating tension in my body. At this point, be aware of anything that is creating tension in your body and what you might do to change it. So notice what is tense. You're identifying what is tense first, and then say to yourself, that part of my body is tense. All right. So now, what do you need to do to relax it? What do you need to do to change it and begin to relax that part of the body that is tense? So you can continue to do that all the way up, starting from your toes, move all the way up to your head. And that's just one way of relaxing. All right. So you can open up your eyes. The second technique is kind of a version of this. All right. It's called progressive muscle relaxation. And this is what I personally find to work best for me. I love progressive muscle relaxation. I've been doing it for a long time, for 25 years or so, and it is very, very effective for me. All right. You can do this when you find yourself getting angry. All right. You can also do it at nighttime. If you suffer from insomnia and sleep issues, I highly recommend that you do progressive muscle relaxation. It'll help you to fall asleep. You can also do this for anxiety, right? In fact, when I have clients who struggle with anxiety and they come in my office and they're like, I'm having a panic attack right now, or I'm feeling really anxious, I don't sit and talk to them about what's causing them to feel anxious or what's causing the panic attack. I immediately sit them down and we do a 5 or 10 or 15-minute progressive muscle relaxation exercise. And every single person that I've done this with, results, they reported that they felt much better. I've had clients extremely angry in my office, couldn't talk to them, wasn't willing to talk because they were so angry, and I got them to agree to do this exercise for 5 minutes, and after the end of the 5 minutes, they reported that they were not as angry as they were in the beginning, and I was able to sit and talk with them about the anger event and get the situation resolved with them. So it's very, very powerful. exercise or technique, right? So essentially, what it is, it's a technique for reducing your anger and your anxiety by basically tensing and then relaxing the different muscle groups in your body. All right. And so you basically want to tense it, right? And then relax it. Tense it and then relax it, right? And so you basically start, there's two ways to do it. Sometimes, seems like most people tend to start at their toes and then work their way up to their head. All right. And then others start at the head and work their way down at the toes. And so just depends, the length of this just depends on how long you spend on each muscle and how many different types of muscles you can go. You can get pretty generalized with saying your whole arm and tense up your whole arm, right? Or you can just say tense up your hand right now and then relax, and then tense up your biceps and then relax, and then tense up your triceps and relax. And you can really break it down into the individual muscle groups that way as well. Right. So basically, what it does is you close your eyes, and then in a progression, right, one muscle group after another, you purposefully tense it for about 10 seconds, and then you release it for about 20 seconds. And then after you've done that, you go back, or you move to the next muscle group. So you might start at your toes, tense up your toes, and then relax it. And then you move up to, like, say, your foot. And then from there, you move up to your calf. And then from there, you move up to your hamstrings or your quads. And you just kind of move it all the way up through the body. So while you're doing this, the mind focuses on the difference between the feelings of tension and relaxation. All right. So let's practice this now. You can sit in the chair that you're sitting in, or you can, sometimes some people like to do this laying down. I get a lot of benefit from doing it laying down, but I've also done it sitting up a lot as well. So make a fist. So basically what you want to do right now is close your eyes, make sure you're comfortable, close your eyes, practice some deep breathing while you're doing this. All right. And then make a fist with each hand and squeeze tight. Really concentrate on the feeling of tension in your fists and forearms. Hold it for several seconds. Now relax. Feel the difference in your muscles. Notice heaviness or warmth or tingling or whatever relaxation feels like for you. Now raise your arms and tighten them, flexing your biceps. Hold the tension for 7 seconds. And then let your arms fall limp by your sides. Once again, notice feelings of relaxation, warmth, or heaviness spreading through your arms, and let them drop. Really notice the contrast between tension and relaxation in your arms. Now turn your attention to your upper face. Frown, squint your eyes, frown, squint your eyes shut as hard as you can. Hold for 7 seconds. And relax. And notice what it feels like to let go of tension in your upper face. Now tighten your jaw. Not so hard that you'll crack a tooth, but push your tongue up against the roof of your mouth. Hold it for 7 seconds. And relax. Notice what it feels like for your jaw to let go and be really loose. Now tense your neck muscles by shrugging your arms upward as far as you can. Wait a moment and relax. Let the relaxation move from your shoulders and neck up to your jaw and all the way to your forehead. Now move your awareness to your chest and back. Take a deep breath and hold it. Tense your chest, shoulders, and upper back muscles, making your entire upper torso rigid. Now take another deep breath. After 7 seconds, let out a deep breath with a long sigh and let your torsos go limp. All right, relax. Really melt down into the chair and focus on the difference between the tense and the relaxed states. Now move your attention into your stomach, lower back, and pelvic regions. Tighten your stomach, your lower back, and your buttocks carefully. And relax, and melt again into the chair. Notice feelings of warmth or heaviness spreading throughout your abdomen. Now work on your legs. With your toes pointed straight out like a ballerina, tense your thighs, your calves, and your feet. Hold this. And then let your legs totally relax. Feel the heaviness and warmth flood into your legs as they go limp. Now tense your legs again, this time pulling your toes toward your head. And relax. And let the relaxation spread like a wave through your entire body, into your abdomen and your chest, into your arms, your neck, your face, your forehead, until you feel totally relaxed. Take another deep breath. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and return to the room. All right, so the next technique is called relaxation without tension. And it's kind of similar to what we've done with some of the other exercises. All right, so what you want to do is take a deep breath, focus your arms, and notice any tension you may feel there. Now relax away the tension. All right, just relax it. Just let it go. Notice and relax the tension. Feel the difference as you relax your arms. Now turn your attention to your upper face. Notice any tension and relax it away. Let it go. Notice and relax the tension. As you relax, really feel the difference in your upper face. Notice any tension in your jaw and relax. Relax it away. Notice what it feels like for your jaw to let go, to be really loose. All right, so basically, instead of doing the tensing and then relaxing, you're just it's kind of more of an awareness. You're aware of what's tense, and then you're just kind of making it relax. All right, so one of the other things you can do is meditation. All right, I think we kind of all have a pretty good idea of how to meditate, but one of the things that you want to do, some helpful tips is maybe incorporate this into your daily routine. Right, meditation is something you can do every morning when you wake up. You can come downstairs, maybe grab some coffee, or maybe before you go get some coffee, is take a few minutes and practice meditation. So you want to find the best time to do meditation. If you do it in the morning,